And we want to say a special happy snow day. Okay guys, it is pretty early in the morning here, but the snowstorm has finally started. It's really hard to see out here, sorry, but if you listen really good, you can hear the ice just bouncing off of everything. Okay guys, last night we came out here whenever it just started doing the winter snowstorm. So this morning, we are going to show you what it looks like now. Are you ready? There's Caleb! Yes. The van is covered. And it's still snowing, guys. You can still see it coming down good. For at least, they said, another 4 hours. What are you doing, Caleb?
I can go my back.
And our tracks that we just made earlier is almost completely covered over again. It's crazy, guys. The camera's already shut off on us several times from the temperature. So hopefully it's going to last so you can see some of this. Hey everyone, well, we just wanted to share all this wonderful snow with everyone, especially those that don't get snow. Look, you can see it falling behind me. Anyhow, I lived in Texas for like 10 years when I was younger, and we never got snow. So snow to me is very special, you know. Just to be able to enjoy it and see it falling down and playing in it, it's amazing. So we just wanted to share this with you and hope that you enjoy it. So guys, thanks for watching. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe, hit that notification bell, follow us on Twitter, Facebook, and Instagram. I think I covered it all. And the girls aren't here again. They're at Mamaw's enjoying the snow there. Caleb's here, but he's inside right now because he is freezing. So we'll see y'all later. Have a great day, and I hope you enjoy this video. God bless.